In this video, I will walk you through turning on and off the double print setting in your Reiner 990. This refers to the traversing mechanism on the machine. If double print is enabled, you only have to click the trigger button one time on the handle and the self-traversing mechanism will move right, left 2 times. This puts down a second layer of ink right on top of the first layer, making the characters darker and more crisp. For most applications, we highly recommend this setting. If single print is on, the self-traversing mechanism will only move right, left 1 time. Right now I have double print enabled, so you'll see I click the trigger button and the mechanism moves right, left. At the end of the video, I will show you the single traverse. You will need to click the buttons in a sequence to change the setting to double print from single print and vice versa. Click the button all the way to the right under Menu. Click the second button from the left with the arrow facing towards the left 3 times till you get to Settings. If you happen to pass your desired spot, you can always click the button with the arrow facing the right or continue pressing the arrow to the left until you get back to Settings, as this loops your options until you get out of this section. Click the button all the way to the right under Select. Click the third button from the left with the arrow facing to the right 1 time. The screen will read Double Print On/Off. Click the button all the way to the right under Select. The screen will read Double Print, and below Double Print you will see either on blinking or off blinking. If on is blinking, double print is on. If off is blinking, double print is off. To select the one you want to use, select one of the middle buttons and make sure on or off is blinking. Since I showed you on, I will show you off. Once the correct setting is selected, click the button all the way to the right for OK. To get back to your prints, click the button all the way to the left under Return 2 times. I'm going to show you one time without all of the speaking in between, so we're going to do Menu, left arrow 3 times, Select, right arrow 1 time, select, choose on or off, OK, return 2 times. Now if I click the button, because double print is off, you will see I click the button once and it only moves once. This is Stephanie Meir from AMI Reiner. I hope you found this technical video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We look forward to assisting you with your marking and coding projects.